I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And we're here with Ride Wrench Race, February 2018. I really had this whole thing planned out. I was gonna do all this hard work and make this great video. We got a lot of cool stuff happening, but then you know what happened? Well, I found out my kids have a snow day tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday and they have a snow day and we're gonna head up north to ride sleds, so guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna blow off all the hard work I was gonna put into this video because I have my priorities straight. I'm gonna go ride stuff with my kids and I gotta put this whole box of parts on these sleds and load them up tonight so we can leave tomorrow first thing in the morning. But still, we're gonna do, I think, a pretty decent job on this video right now. Okay, item number one for February. 2015 R1 STG Project Bike. I had this bike since it's new. I think it's got just over 1,000 miles on it. I've enjoyed this project. I love this bike, but it's time to move on. It's time to sell this bike. Huge list of mods. Anyone who's serious, please email me at service@sportbiketrackgear.com. We can run down the whole thing. I can break it down for you, but just over 1,000 miles. Bike's never been down. It's got a ton of mods. Just look at the videos. When the bike leaves here, it'll have a fresh set of Pirelli slicks on it. It'll be super duper clean because I'm gonna use all that Maxima stuff and make it perfect. I'll give you your own Maxima kit to take with you. And for 1 year, you can buy anything we offer at STG staff pricing for personal use only. It's a huge savings and that's a benefit to buying my bike. We've also got the brand new Alpinestars GP Plus Venom. It's available in two colorways. I'm showing you the black with the fluorescent yellow. There's also one with fluorescent red. Once again, lots of screen, look at this, a lot of screen printing, super bitchin'. All right, if you're not into the camo, you're probably gonna love this. Love the new edgy designs from A-Stars. And this brand new Alpinestars GP Plus camo suit, I mean, this is a big deal. All new for the spring of 18. It's available in the colorway we're showing you here right now. There's also one with some red accents. But look at this printed camo. Elbow slider. This is amazing. This would be the best $1,299 you ever spent. Okay, RS Taichi suit promo. This thing's over February 15th. We've only got a couple of days left by the time this video comes out. A couple of days left. Look at how dirty this is, but that's because I've ridden it a ton because it's a great suit. You buy a 304 suit, you're gonna get a free pair of WRX gloves. It's a great value, only a few days left. Buy a 209 suit, you're gonna get a chest protector. He's got a 209 suit. What do you think of that thing?
Good, like, comfortable.
It's an amazing suit. And if you buy one of their high-end Japanese cow suits like this one, you're gonna get a free gear bag. This offer ends the 15th of February. Okay, the 2017 R6 STG Project Bike. Man, we've made a ton of progress on this. Brake lines, bunch of driven parts. Look at this new Rage fender eliminator. This is brand new stuff from them. Check that out on the site. These are selling really well. Gas cap. We've got front turn signals. Tons of progress and more to come. We've got parts coming this time from R&G Cycles. We've never installed R&G on the bike before in the projects. Really excited. Stay tuned for that. Okay, I'm really rushing this thing, I know it. We got a couple of great deals, some stock that we have here. We've got the AGV Sport Echelon Gloves for $79. Those things are selling really well. Make sure you get your set before your size and color is gone. Scorpion EXO R710 Crystal Helmet, $79. That's an amazing deal. We also have the AGV Sport Atom Leather Jacket for $199. That's all nice stuff, great deals. I handpicked these deals just for y'all, and you know what? That's it. I gotta go. I gotta get wrenching on these sleds because I'm playing hooky tomorrow.